price, the corporate franchise of this company was revoked by SEC in May of 2003.
Counsel, please elicit those facts from the witness
Yes,
to be
Your Honor.
recorded. The counsel is reminded that is not under oath to testify in these proceedings.
Yes,
Proceed.
Your Honor. And if just to close, Your Honor, to identify and authenticate records and documents pertinent and relevant to his testimony, Your Honor.
Proceed.
Yeah. Mr. Witness, you said you are you identified yourself as attorney. You are a lawyer by profession.
Yes, sir.
And since when did you become a lawyer?
1975.
You stated that you are currently employed with the Securities and Exchange Commission. Since when have you been connected with the SEC?
July 1980.
Up to the present?
Yes, sir.
You stated that you are currently the Director of Company Registration and Monitoring Department of SEC.
Yes,
Since
sir.
when have you occupied this position?
Since year 2000.
And you are still occupying this position to the present time?
Yes, sir.
As Director of the Company Registration and Monitoring Department, will you please tell us your functions as Director?
As director, I manage the department, oversee its operation.
Will you please fix your microphone so that your statements are clear?
As director, I manage the operation of the department, execute all the circulars being implemented by the Commission.
And what are the specific mandate of the Company Registration and Monitoring Department?
Our department is the department which register corporations and partnership. We also issue licenses for foreign corporation and licenses for brokers, financing company, lending companies. We also process and approve amendments of articles.
I think that's a matter of law that this court can take notice of.
Thank you, Your
Proceed
Honor.
to the meat of your questions.
Before you became Director, what positions, if any, have you held in SEC?
I started as an analyst 1, then analyst 2, then I was promoted to a supervising specialist, then I became a division chief, then later on as director of CRMD. The
Under what department, Mr. Witness?
Under Company Registration and Monitoring Department.
Considering your vast experience, a total of 32 years in SEC, in the same department, which deals mainly on corporation and laws related thereto, would you reasonably say that you have a fairly substantial knowledge of corporation law?
Counsel.
Yes, Your Honor.
Will the defense accept the fact that this witness is an official of the Securities and Exchange Commission in charge of corporate records?
Although we do not know him personally, Your Honor, we will be willing, just to expedite the proceedings, we are willing to admit on record.
All right. Proceed from there, Counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Witness, you appeared today on strength of the subpoena issued by this honorable court. Subpoena duces tecum et subpoena ad testificandum et duces tecum, and you were required to bring with you original and certified true copies of the articles of incorporation of Basa Guidotti Enterprises and its general information sheets and audited financial statements for the years 2000 up to 2010 or 2010. First question is, did you bring with you the articles of incorporation and its amendments, if any, of this particular corporation?
I have here only the original copy of the articles of incorporation, but we don't have any copy for the amendments. They did not file any amendments of these articles.
Will you please hand to this representation this document? Hello. May I manifest, Your Honor, that we have pre-marked this before the Deputy Clerk of Court yesterday, and witness handed to me the articles of incorporation, the original of Basa Guidotti Enterprises, Inc., earlier marked as Exhibit WWW, consisting of
7 pages.
7 pages. Thank you, Your Honor.
Mark it accordingly. Is that pre-marked?
Yes, Your Honor,
All
pre-marked as Exhibit Quintuple W. The whole document, the name Basa Guidotti Enterprises, Inc. as Exhibit WWWWA. The subsequent pages thereof as Quintuple W1 up to 6, Your Honor.
At this juncture, Your Honor, and for expediency, may we ask permission that it be marked also as Exhibit 39 for the defense, Your Honor?
Yeah, just a matter of procedure. We take note of the defense counsel. Counsel, is there a need to
41,
mark the
41.
pages as exhibits? Why don't you just mark the document as an exhibit and identify it? Anyway, you can refer
41.
to the page
41.
to
Yes.
the page of that exhibit if you want to refer to a particular page.
Yes, actually, Your Honor, we have also pre-marked the pertinent pages thereof in yesterday's...
All right, proceed so that we can we do not tarry.
We'll,
41.
the matter has
Exhibit
been...
41. I'm sorry, Your Honor. It's not 39 but 41. We already have 39, Your Honor. For the defense.
You adopt the same as your exhibit.
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right. Let it be recorded that this particular document
Yun mismo.
marked as exhibit for the prosecution and the defense are marked accordingly as both exhibit for the prosecution and the defense.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor. May we request the defense to compare the same and manifest that this is a faithful reproduction of the original.
We have examined the same, Your Honor, and we are willing to admit on record that the document now being presented is a faithful reproduction of the original, Your Honor.
That is an official record. This court can even call on the custodian to bring that kind of document, so that should not be a problem. Proceed.
Now, may I also manifest, Your Honor, for the record,
Hindi, but the records lang.
may I also manifest for the record that we have submark Exhibit W, Quintuple W3, particularly the portion thereof indicating the original stockholders and of the corporation as Exhibit Quintuple W3-A.
Counsel for the defense, do you admit the stockholders of this corporation?
Yes, Your Honor.
Well, there's no need to prove
No,
that.
no, I do not think there is any genuine controversy in connection with the existence of the corporation and its stockholders, Your Honor.
The document is the best evidence of its content.
Yes, Your Honor, we would just like to highlight this for the record that Cristina Corona is not among the submark of this corporation, and this is the reason for the
Why don't you ask the one that brought it to read who are the stockholders?
Yes, Your
And
Honor.
who are the members of the board of directors?
I will go into that, Your Honor. Showing to you a copy, Mr. Witness, of Exhibit Quintuple W3. Will you please read to the record the names of the stockholders and directors of this company?
I do not think there will be any reason for the reading, Your Honor. We are
Let
admitting...
the witness read.
Thank you.
Based on the Articles of Incorporation of Basa Guidote Enterprises, Inc., these are the stockholders. Rosario G. Viuda de Basa, Mario Basa, Cecilia Basa, Vicente Rocco, Asuncion Basa Rocco, Jose Ma Basa, and Raimunda Gorospe Basa. That's all, Your Honor.
And who are
And
the
the directors?
directors? Who are the directors?
The directors, there are 7. Namely, Rosario G. Viuda de Basa, Mario Basa, Cecilia Basa, Vicente Rocco, Asuncion Basa Rocco, Jose Maria Basa, and Raimunda Gorospe Basa.
All right. Proceed.
Now, Mr. Witness, what proof, if any, do you have to show that this corporation was registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission?
Improper for the record, Your Honor. We already...
That is not a pertinent question. After all,
Your Honor,
it is a matter of record. It is registered with the SEC.
Yes, Your Honor. This is just the Articles of Incorporation, Your Honor. The SEC registration is different from the Articles of
All right.
Incorporation, Your Honor.
Proceed. Answer.
I have here the original copy of the Certificate of Registration, Your Honor.
I am showing to you a copy of the Certificate of Registration, number 1884.
Never mind, counsel. I suggest that you show it to the witness, and the court directs the witness to read it into the record.
Showing to you a copy, Mr. Witness, of this Certificate of Registration. Is this the same document that you mentioned?
Yes, sir.
And will you please read into the records this particular exhibit marked as Exhibit Quintuple X?
All this?
Yung name, the name and the registration number and the date.
To all to whom this presence may come, greetings. Whereas Articles of Incorporation duly signed and acknowledged for the organization of Basa Guidote Enterprises, Inc., under in accordance with the provisions of the Act of Philippine Commission number 1459.
Just, if Your Honor, please, just the name, the date, and the number of registration number.
The date of registration is 30th day of May, 1961. And this is signed by...
What year?
1961, Your Honor.
1961.
61. Yeah. This certificate of registration was signed by Securities and Exchange Commissioner Mariano G. Pineda.
Thank you. Okay na. Now, you are also required, Mr. Witness, to bring with you, pursuant to the subpoena, the General Information Sheet, or GIS, of Basa Guidote Enterprises, Inc. for the years 2000 to 2010. Did you also bring this with you?
We did not receive those reports.
Will you amplify that point, Mr. Witness?
Since we have no reports or general informations and financial statement as you requested, I just prepared a certificate of non-filing if this court will accept
What
this.
reports were requested?